Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions. Today we'll show you how to open Messenger account without Facebook. So let's get started. First you have to open Facebook on a web browser. But before doing anything I have to tell you that Facebook have blocked any and every way to open Messenger account without Facebook. But the only way you can keep a Messenger account without having a Facebook is to deactivate Facebook account while keeping Messenger active. To deactivate a Facebook account, click settings and privacy, go to settings, select your Facebook information, go to deactivation and deletion, continue the account deactivate, click I have another account, like I want to keep using Messenger, click deactivate now your account will be deactivated, and go to Messenger, log in to your Messenger while giving a Facebook account and password, and you can see that your Messenger still works, but nobody can find your Facebook, but you have a Messenger account. So that's how you do keep a Messenger account without a Facebook account. Peace.